to make some Play-Dohs.
Go, Marcos.
No, BC shell.
Oh, Marcos, go. Hi, kids.
This is my kids' channel, and today we're going to make Play-Dohs.
Very good, guys. Are you ready to make Play-Doh?
Yes! Here are the materials. 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar, 1 cup boiling water, and color.
Food color.
Food color.
Hey, guys, are you ready to make the
Yeah!
Play-Doh?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're gonna put everything together in this bowl, okay? Let's do it?
Yeah! Yeah. Go, Marcus.
Okay, put everything inside. Great job. Okay, Matt, the salt.
Me.
And then Marcus, the cream of tartar. Okay. Okay, mix everything together. Great job, boys.
Okay.
Okay, Marcus will put the oil. Good. And
Whoa! So
Mix it.
it turns yellow.
then it's turned yellow. Not yet. Okay, mix it.
Look at our Play-Doh, kids!
Cool. And it turned out red. Oh no, pink, not red.
It's heavy.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start playing with it, guys.
Whoa! I start make
What are you gonna make with your Play-Doh?
I placed this. I already been.
Okay, so you share your Play-Doh, okay?
Whoa! Whoopsie! I break it to 6.
Okay. So now they split their Play-Doh and they can play with it now.
Wow! Whoa! How about this other one? Whoa! Whoa!
It's not gonna stick on your hands. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, Marcos, you can touch it now.
This is.
No, look. See? Okay.
What? What is it? No, I fall down off it. Whoa!
Oh, you guys are making shapes. That's fun. Hey boys, this is your first challenge. Can you make 3 balls from your clay?
Okay.
No need for shapes. Make it on your own. Like get clay and make a circle. Good. Make 3 small circles.
That's
Oh,
one.
that's 1. Marcos, you do it yourself.
It's sticky. So sticky.
It's not that sticky.
That is red one. Oh no, it's pink.
It's pink, it's not red.
Pink.
Ooh, make bigger
red.
balls. Those are too tiny. What are those?
What is this poop?
It's poop. Make bigger ones, please.
So awesome.
Good job, Matt.
It's so pink.
It's so pink. I
It's
know.
not red.
It's not red. The
Yeah.
food coloring didn't work.
I didn't work
Yes,
anymore.
it said red, but it turned out to be pink, guys. Oh no, it's okay.
Oh no.
Wow. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, are you making meatballs?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you make some hamburger patties? And then you flatten it to make it like a burger. Ah, there you go. That's cute.
That's bun.
Is that a bun or is that the patty?
Bun.
The bun. Okay, make some more, Marcos.
This is Sandy.
Come on.
51. Whoa.
Okay, the guys are making meatballs and a snowman. That's cool. And then, Marcos, what are you gonna make with your Play-Doh? See, the process that we gave you lacks a little flour, so you just keep adding flour so that it won't be super sticky. Okay, look at this. It's no longer sticky. I just added flour.
I need to stick this like 6.
Okay, you put it here. Okay, and then you do the mold. That's the mold. Oh, awesome. Oh! What happened?
The 6 is broken.
Okay.
It's not broken because that's 9.
There you go. That's number 9, Marcos. Awesome.
6.
Well, it's 6, and then over here it looks like the 9. Great job, guys. Are you having fun with your Play-Doh?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, nice.
I made the circle one.
Okay, make a circle. Go.
I made this molding.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, go.
I'm going to show this to Lola.
Sure.
Kids, you can try this at home. Mateo out. Mike is out.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make episodes again in the future, okay?
Whoa.
Say bye to everyone.
Bye.